Welcome to Battle of the Best. The best lash scissors and tweezers is probably one of the most essential tools for achieving flawless lash application, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your journey into the world of false lashes. These precision instruments are designed to help you trim lashes to the perfect length, remove excess glue with ease, and place your falsies with unparalleled accuracy, ensuring a comfortable and natural look every single time. Investing in a quality set can truly elevate your lash game, making the entire process smoother and the final result more stunning. So let's dive into what makes a great pair stand out. Number 5. TsMADDTs 6-piece Tweezers Set. Introducing the TsMADDTs 6-piece Tweezers Set, your ultimate solution for precise grooming. This set is designed for effortless hair removal and shaping. With a variety of tools, including curved scissors, this set tackles everything from fine hairs to ingrown hairs. Achieve a flawless look with ease. Specifically curated for women's daily beauty needs, these tools ensure a comfortable and effective plucking experience. Enhance your natural beauty effortlessly. Crafted for durability, this set comes with a stylish leather travel case. Keep your grooming essentials organized and accessible wherever you go. Elevate your beauty routine with this comprehensive tweezer set. It's the perfect companion for maintaining perfectly shaped eyebrows and smooth skin. What we like? This set offers a comprehensive solution for your daily beauty needs. It includes essential tools for plucking and shaping. If you are looking for a compact and stylish kit for on-the-go touch-ups, this is a great choice. What people say. The scissors are sharp and precise, making it easy to trim lashes without snagging. The tweezers have a good grip and are perfectly aligned, allowing for easy application of false lashes. The set comes with both scissors and tweezers, which is convenient for a complete lash application routine. Number 4. TsMADDTs 7-piece Precision Tweezer Set. Introducing the TsMADDTs 7-piece Precision Tweezer Set, your all-in-one solution for facial hair grooming. This comprehensive kit includes everything you need for perfectly shaped eyebrows and smooth skin. Crafted from high-quality, surgical-grade stainless steel, these tools are durable, sharp, and easy to clean. They are designed to protect your delicate skin and prevent allergic reactions. Experience precise plucking with perfectly aligned tips that easily grasp even the shortest hairs. Our design minimizes discomfort, making hair removal a pain-free experience. This set is incredibly lightweight and portable, making it ideal for travel and on-the-go touch-ups. Keep it in your bag for effortless beauty anytime, anywhere. Looking for the perfect gift? This essential beauty tool set makes a thoughtful choice for Mother's Day, birthdays, holidays, and anniversaries. Each tool comes with a protective head cover, and the entire set is neatly stored in a durable leather case. This ensures safe handling and protects the precision tips. What we like? This option provides a wider range of tools for detailed grooming. The inclusion of a razor and surgical-grade steel ensures precision and durability. If you need a complete eyebrow shaping and facial hair removal kit with professional-grade materials, consider this one. What people say. They have a nice case to keep them organized and to protect the tips to make sure they stay in good shape. All of the other pieces have a nice crisp edge to them and the tips align well. The surgical-grade stainless steel tools are sharp and durable, allowing for precise plucking and shaping. Number 3. TsMADDTs 8-in-1 Eyebrow Kit. Introducing the TsMADDTs 8-in-1 Eyebrow Kit, your all-in-one solution for perfect eyebrows and facial hair removal. This comprehensive set is designed for your daily beauty routine. Achieve salon-quality results with our precision tweezers. Made from surgical-grade stainless steel, they offer sharp, aligned tips for painlessly plucking even the finest hairs at the root. Effortlessly shape your eyebrows with the included trimmer and scissors. These tools are designed for safe and effective trimming, keeping your brows neat and well-defined. Beyond tweezers and scissors, this kit features a safe eyebrow razor with a protective net and a dual-ended brush for grooming. It's perfect for shaping eyebrows, removing facial hair, and tidying up beards. Keep your beauty tools organized and protected with the included travel case. This lightweight and elegant case makes it easy to maintain your look wherever you go. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This essential beauty kit is a perfect present for Mother's Day, birthdays, or any special occasion. Give the gift of effortless beauty. What we like? This is the most extensive kit, offering a tool for almost every grooming task. It's designed for ultimate convenience and versatility. If you want an all-in-one solution for eyebrow shaping, facial hair removal, and even beard maintenance, this comprehensive kit is perfect for you. What people say. The tweezers have a great grip and they make hair removal a breeze. I also use them to apply fake lashes. The tweezers work great and you get a few different kinds. The case is also a bonus as it keeps them all together so you don't misplace them. Scissors are sharp. Very durable. Great for travel and to keep things in one place. Number 2. 4-in-1 Eyelash Curler Kit. Achieve beautifully curled lashes with our all-in-one beauty tool. It's designed to give you the perfect lift and definition every time. This versatile kit includes everything you need for stunning eyes. Beyond curling, you'll find precision tweezers and handy scissors for grooming. Our applicator tool makes styling your lashes simple and comfortable. Get salon-quality results from the comfort of your home. This kit is your ultimate companion for eye beauty. It addresses all your needs, from curling to precise grooming. Never worry about worn-out pads again. We include 6 replacement silicone refill pads to ensure long-lasting performance. Specifically crafted for women who desire flawless lashes. Experience the difference this comprehensive tool can make in your beauty routine. What we like. This kit focuses specifically on enhancing your lashes and brows. The inclusion of an eyelash curler and replacement pads makes it ideal for achieving voluminous lashes. If your primary concern is curling and defining your lashes while also having essential brow tools, this kit is tailored for you. What people say. The tweezers were my favorite part. They work so well and can get the smallest hairs on my face. Great quality set came in good packaging. Love, love, love the iridescent color. My set came in perfect condition and I am very satisfied. Number 1. Curved Craft Scissors Eyebrow Kit. Introducing our versatile crafting tool, designed for intricate work. Its sharp blades ensure clean cuts every time. Achieve perfectly shaped eyebrows with ease. This kit includes everything you need for precise grooming and styling. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, these scissors are built to last. Enjoy durable performance for all your crafting and beauty needs. This unisex kit is perfect for anyone looking to enhance their grooming routine. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling. From trimming to shaping, this comprehensive set has you covered. Get salon-quality results right at home. Presented in a stylish pink set, it's a beautiful addition to your beauty collection. This tool is as elegant as it is functional. What we like. This set offers a minimalist approach with essential tools for precise brow work. The curved craft scissors are excellent for detailed trimming. If you prefer a simple, effective, and aesthetically pleasing set for basic eyebrow grooming, this is a solid option. What people say. The scissors are very sharp and precise, making it easy to trim individual lashes. The tweezers have a fine tip that allows for accurate placement of false lashes. Both the scissors and tweezers are made of durable stainless steel, ensuring longevity. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.